Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to convert Android Java code to Dart code and run it as a web application or Android application. So let's begin. I'll first create a simple Java application, a very simple one, and probably I'll give it as a counter Android app. And I click finish. Wait for the environment to load. So I'll do one thing. I'll pause this and I'll do the development and then I'll show the code over here. So just give me a moment. So my environment has come up. So there is an XML file. This is the default right now, and this is the layout, and there is a default method which has been given on click method. So I'll just update this now shortly. So I have completed the code. I will just quickly explain the changes which I have done. I have added this button increment by 5 over here, which is being shown in the output as well. And in the Java code, I've just introduced two class variables here, value and text view, and then assign text view to the right widget, and then load this small method where value increases by 5 on each press. So now I'll do the press, and I don't know if it's visible, it's a bit on a small size, so let me zoom it and just scroll it down. So you can see the value is increasing by 5. So now we'll use this code and convert it into a Dart code and see how it works. So I'll just Control C, and then I'll go to my Gemini and the AI tool by Google and say convert the below code to Dart code. So and then paste it and then just wait for a few seconds and it will show you the Dart code here. Here's the Dart code. Perfect. So just copy this and then we can paste it. Okay, so for that what we'll do is we'll now create a new project which will be a Flutter project this time. Just do next, and over here this time you can say probably counter app no underscore app underscore Flutter. In Flutter you can't give the project name as capital letter and there shouldn't be any space. Probably I'll just update this is not mandatory. I mean, this since it's my project, so I'll just name it mine and then just click create. It may take a while, so again I'll pause the video here, and once the environment comes up I'll unpause and show you. So my Flutter application has come up, and this is the default code what they give. I also started this application in Android also in a browser, in the Chrome browser. However, we will not use this code because our layout was a bit different and all. So what I'll do is I'll go to my AI tool where we have asked it to convert the code to Dart, and this is the code it gives. Just you have to copy this code here, come back to your Android studio in the Flutter application and just do a Control A, Control V. Most likely there shouldn't be any issue, which you can see there is no issue, and then you can rerun it. You can just do a hot reload. So this is for Android first one, so this should hot reload. So there is some issue, so let me try out with Chrome also, and it's trying to reload. Okay, perfect, it came up here. So it works in a browser, however in the Android it's not working. So let me try again, and it says reload rejected, try performing a hot restart. Okay, so let me try a hot restart. Probably it wants to clean the classes and all, so most likely it should work now. Perfect, so it's working for this also. So now if I press this, it's increasing by 5. Even in the browser, a web application, I can see it's increasing by 5. Now we'll do one thing, we'll bring it into the center. So for that the code changes are straightforward, I guess. So we'll go here and you can see it's making a column for everything, all the widgets. So we'll just make it as a children, and basically we'll keep something like row, and within this row we'll create. Okay, so I think this should go at the end below this column, and I'll introduce something called children. Again I'll take it to the below row. Perfect. Okay, I think n is missing here. I'm not sure why. Yeah, so now all the errors are gone. I can just do Control A and Control Alt I to align everything as required, and now I will just do a hot reload again here and see if it works or not. I think I should have also done one thing, a small thing is basically I have to align it to the center. So I'll just bring this additional line over here. So that's all. So I was expecting to go to center, and same thing if I go here, it's in the center. Of course, I have to start. So these two are of course an independent application. One is running in the web app and one is running in the Android app. So I'll just, before I wrap up, I'll just quickly show that how you can create a application out of it, a deployable application. So just go to the menu, and in the menu just go to the build and Flutter, and you can over here either build a web version or APK version for Android. iOS is not enabled because I don't have the required settings right now in my environment, but otherwise web and APK you can run, and you'll get the JavaScript over here, and you'll get the APK file over here which you can use to deploy in your environment. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.